Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a user in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings icon right here. Next, in this new page containing the settings, click on General Settings from the left panel, then click on Manage Users under the Users section. Next, in this new page containing all your users, click on New from the top left corner. In this new page, you will create here your new user. Start by typing in their name and the email they use. You may also add a picture of them by clicking on this camera icon right here. You may also add other details you need to add for this new user. Lastly, just click on this small cloud icon at the top left-hand side of your screen to save the changes you've made. And that is how you can create a user in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.